In this video, you'll learn how to make DIY scrunchies. This is what you'll need: any kind of fabric, scissors, something to write with, elastic bands, ruler or measuring tape, and a sewing machine. Now let's get started. The first thing you do is you grab your fabric. You can use any fabric you want. I chose this little dress that I'm going to be using to make my scrunchie. Now that you have your fabric, what you're going to do is you're going to measure out how much fabric you want to make your scrunchie with. I chose 40 to 45 centimeters in length and 8 to 10 centimeters in width. You can choose by how big you want it or how small you want your scrunchie to be. Now I'm just drawing out the line so it'll be easier for me to cut with. Now you just cut on the line that you previously made. Once you've cut out your fabric, it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, I have jagged ends, but that's completely fine because you won't be able to see them. What you're going to do now is you're going to bring in your elastic band. With your elastic band, make sure your good side is facing up. With your elastic band, you're going to place it on the top left-hand corner of your material. And you're just going to pull the material that's underneath your elastic band through, and you're just going to make the two corners meet so it looks like that. As you can see, once you have your fabric all lined up on your elastic band, you're just going to start sewing like you normally would, slowly taking out material. Once you've gotten to the end of your scrunchie material, you're just going to take it off of your sewing machine. So basically what I'm doing now is you're just supposed to flip it inside out, so the good side is now showing and the bad side, which is where we just sewed, is now on the inside. Once you're done flipping it inside out, what you're going to do now is you're going to take your two raw edges and you're going to flip one inside itself, and then you're going to flip it over top of the other one so you can't see the raw edges or like the bad edges, so it'll be nice and clean. If you do that, now you just sew the little slot. And there you have it, your new DIY scrunchie. It is very, very cute and you're probably gonna love it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned how to make a DIY scrunchie.